The arrogant tree. In the forest, there is a tree that was so big and so beautiful. However, the trees were so arrogant because not all of the animals were allowed to stay on a branch and perch that he had. One day, there was a beautiful white bird that wanted to perch on her branch. The bird asked, "Could I stay on your branch?" The tree replied, "Of course you can, because you are a very pretty bird." The beautiful bird perched on a branch and then stayed for a long time on the tree. On the next week, the tree saw a sick rabbit with the falling out of hair. The rabbit was so exhausted from walking because he wanted to meet the season in the forest each. He saw the rabbit and he knew that the rabbit was being sick because the face was pale and the hair was falling out. However, he was reluctant to offer a help to the rabbit because he was disgusted with the disease. Because of so tired, the rabbit asked permission from him to take the shoulder and a rest for a moment near his roots. However, he did not allow for fear of contracting the disease of the rabbit. He snapped the rabbit and told him to get out and went away from him. The rabbit continued the beg in order to have a rest even took only a few minutes. He still did not allow the rabbits and even snapped. The rabbit felt so humiliated and prayed to God that proposed to the punishment for the tree in accordance with his behavior. When the rabbit prayed, he was laughing and said that the rabbit did the silly thing. Rabbit prayed was granted by God, and the beautiful tree immediately attacked caterpillars gradually. The leaves which were owned by the tree were falling out and the flowers withered. He was not the beautiful tree anymore, and just being a root that would die soon. After being withered, he continued to pray to God, and being so keen to others, he has repented and promised not to repeat the cavalier attitude that he had before. Then God forgave him and sent the golden woodpecker to eat the caterpillar which were present, took out the body. After cleaning the caterpillar on his body, the tree turned back into a very beautiful tree. He kept his promise for not bragging and keeping to help others. Currently, he was liked by all the residents of the forest, and he lived happily.